In this tutorial, we will look how to look at individual series, and then we will discuss a bit the problem of missing data and look at the outlying observation for one series. For instance, if we want to look at the individual series further education, all you have to do is double click at the series you want to look at, and here you have the first pick of the individual series of the education of the father. Another way to think or to look at one individual series is with a line chart, what you can do is under view, select descriptive statistics and tests, and select histogram and stats. And over here you have a chart of the line chart of the series, and on the right side you can see the mean value of the series, the maximum, the minimum, and the standard deviation, and so on. For instance, for this particular series, the maximum value is 80 and the minimum value is 0. Also up here you can see that in our sample we have 935 observations, but for the individual series further education we follow information only for 741 observations. This is telling you that there are many missing observations for this particular series, and if data are missing for an observation, then the observation cannot be used in a standard multiple regression analysis. Almost all modern regression packages keep track of this missing data, and they simply ignore the observations when computing regression. Other than reducing the sample size available for regression, there can be some consequences of missing data, and how serious are these consequences depends whether the observations that are missing are random or non-random. If the data are missing are random, then the size of the random sample available from the population will be simply reduced, and this will make the estimators less precise, but it will not introduce any bias. However, if the observations that are missing are non-random, then this will introduce bias in our estimates. Also, when looking at one variable, you should be careful about the maximum and the minimum value of the variable, and if you see that the minimum and the maximum value differ significantly from the median, maybe you should consider completely ignoring these observations from your estimation, and this will make your estimators more precise. For this particular series, we don't see some strange maximum and minimum values, so there is no need to omit any of the variables here.